Bangladesh is facing a deepening fuel crisis as global supply disruptions triggered by the Iran conflict begin to hit home. With fuel stations shutting down across Dhaka and long queues stretching for hours, the crisis exposing the country's heavy dependence on ports. As instability grows, India has stepped in reviewing Dhaka's request for urgent diesel supplies amid mounting regional pressure.
A full-blown fuel crisis is unfolding in Bangladesh's capital, Dhaka. Most fuel stations have remained shut due to an acute shortage of octane and diesel. The crisis comes at a time when Bangladesh is already grappling with economic stress, inflation, and growing public frustration, further intensifying instability in the country. Bangladesh depends on imports for nearly 95% of its energy needs, making it extremely vulnerable to global disruptions. The ongoing conflict in West Asia, particularly involving Iran, has rattled energy markets, driving up prices and choking supply routes. The situation has worsened as shipments fail to arrive despite advance orders, exposing serious gaps in supply chain management.
আমরা শুধু অকটেন এবং ডিজেল সরবরাহ করি না সাপ্লাই আছে মানে আমাদের নাই রিজার্ভে নাই মানে ডিপো থেকে মাল আসলে তারপর আমরা বিক্রি ডিপোতে প্রি অর্ডার করে দিচ্ছি সকালে কদিন ব্যাংক বন্ধ ছিল প্রি অর্ডার করতে পারিনি আজকে ব্যাংক খুলছে আমরা প্রি অর্ডার করে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি এখন গাড়ি আসলে আমরা তেল আনলোড করে তারপরে বিক্রি শুরু করব
Fuel station operators across Dhaka say they are unable to meet demand even after placing advance orders. Many outlets have suspended operations entirely, while others struggle to manage growing crowds and chaos. The shortage has triggered panic among consumers, with long queues becoming a common sight across the capital. The crisis is directly linked to escalating tensions in the Middle East. The Iran conflict has disrupted nearly a fifth of global crude and natural gas supplies, particularly through the strategically critical Strait of Hormuz. With shipping routes under threat and energy infrastructure targeted, countries like Bangladesh, heavily reliant on imports, are bearing the brunt.
মোটামুটি কাজ চলে যাবে কিন্তু যেভাবে করে আসলে দীর্ঘ লাইন করে আসলে দাঁড়াতে হয় হ্যাঁ এটার জন্য তো মিনিমাম আধা ঘন্টা সময় চলে যাচ্ছে হ্যাঁ আবার যদি এটা তেল শেষ হয়ে যায় আবার তো সেটা দাঁড়াতে হবে আর কি লাইনে দাঁড়াতে হবে
Amid the crisis, Bangladesh has turned to India for support. New Delhi has confirmed receiving a request from Dhaka for diesel supplies, highlighting India's growing role as a regional energy stabilizer. India has been a consistent energy partner to Bangladesh, supplying diesel through multiple channels, including the India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline.
We have received a request from the government of Bangladesh for supply of diesel, which is being examined. Given our people-centric and development-oriented approach to relations with Bangladesh, we have been supplying diesel from Numaligarh refinery since 2007 through various modes, which includes waterways, rail, and later through the India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline. A sale purchase agreement was signed in October 2017 between Numaligarh refinery and Bangladesh Petroleum Corporation for supply of high-speed diesel on mutually agreed terms. It bears mention that whilst diesel exports to Bangladesh have largely continued since 2017, India's refining capacity, our own requirements and diesel availability will be factored in while taking decisions.
India is now carefully evaluating its own energy needs before committing additional supplies not just to Bangladesh but also to other regional partners like Sri Lanka and the Maldives. The move underscores India's strategic balancing act, supporting its neighbors while safeguarding domestic energy security. As the West Asia conflict continues to disrupt global energy flows, Bangladesh's fuel crisis serves as a stark reminder of the risk of import dependence. With rising instability and mounting pressure on the government, the coming days will test Dhaka's ability to manage the crisis, while all eyes remain on whether regional cooperation led by India can help ease the burden.